Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. A lot of times the issue of supervised parenting is raised in the context of determining parenting time. You know, the notion of supervised visitation basically says that one parent is not comfortable with the parenting skills of the other parent and therefore wants it supervised by some third party. Well, is it smart to request that? Is it common? Well, I will tell you that it's not common. I will tell you that it's exceptional. Most parents handle their family the way they've always handled it. If the kids are with dad, they're with dad. If they're with mom. And they don't require supervision. Every now and then you get a situation where one parent requires supervision because the other parent is, let's say, a drug addict and can't be trusted. The other parent has never been alone with the children because she can't be trusted. You know, that kind of thing. Is it smart to ask for it? I think it is smart to ask for it, provided that it services the best interests of the children, and provided you can show a history that is consistent with your request. In other words, if you've always left that kid with dad every time you have to go to work, and you've done that for the first 4 years of the child's life, don't come into court and say he's not reliable, because then you're going to have 4 years of explaining to do. You're going to have to explain to the court why it was that for your convenience, so that you could go to work and you could go shopping and you could do this, it was fine to leave the kids with dad, but now all of a sudden it's not. That's going to be a tough thing for you to deal with when the court asks you that question, and they will ask. So I would say if it's in the best interest of the child and the history is consistent with it, it's something that you should definitely ask for. The moment the court thinks you're asking it to impose upon the other person just to look petty, that's the moment you've lost that motion. So make sure that it's a good faith motion. Make sure that it makes sense and it's consistent with how you've always handled things in the division of labor as you've raised your kids in the past. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.